we can link simple movement patterns together, you're good. So the second set of exercises on your list is the bridge chest press. You can do this in a lot of different positions. You can do it from the floor, you can do it from the bench, okay? So, lying on the bench is the same setup, so that's why you had to learn how to bridge first. Your shoulder blades have to be on the bench, your dumbbells are in your hands, your hips have to be lengthened. Now at this point you're going to forget about your core, so that's why you teach the bridge first, okay? Anchor through your shoulders, see what I did? And then draw the dumbbells down until they touch the ground, or in this case the bench, and then push them up. So that's exercise one. Fairly straightforward, it's not complex. You can do it from the floor. So from the floor it looks like this. But remember, the part now is going to be above the head, okay? If the heart rate wasn't high in the first place, it shouldn't be an issue. So same setup. This is one of my favorite strong exercises to do. You can do this with a barbell as well. To make this more challenging, we do two things. We put in a core challenge, or we put in an instability challenge. So from the basics of stability, which is what those are, you can now add the asymmetric load. So from this position, shoulder blades compressed, same idea, core neutral, one arm goes, one arm stays. So this one stays in its retracted position, while this one goes through its chest block. Okay, make sure, watch what I'm doing with my shoulder, I'm compressing it into the bench, drawing the other one away. Compressing it into the bench and drawing the other one away. It's really important to learn that scapular control mechanism. Now we do that exact same thing with an unstable surface, so practice stability ball. There's no different here. When you get someone onto a climbing stability, walk down the ball. Dumbbells in hand, walk down the ball, and the dumbbells will naturally float up to the shoulders. Okay? Head and neck supported by the ball. Exact same thing applies here. Now this is unstable by itself. And this really creates a high degree of instability if the load is sufficient. Okay? If the load isn't sufficient, because the instability is too high, it's too hard. Alright? So there's a series of pushing exercises to go along with the bridge. So walk through those quickly, please.